Alright, so this is just going to be a little video of us showing the Frailea Castanea. These were all popped from seed, and then some of them were embryogenic cultures. Others are pure seed, seed grown. So let's see, they've been growing very well. Lots of bunches. There's a lot of callus tissue. So I'm just slowly removing that before I pick it up. You can see it's very true to form. It just needs some rooting. So for these bigger pieces, I like to trim off the extra callus that's kind of able to just fall right off. So I'm not really cutting, I'm just scraping. And then I want to only submerge the bottom base of the plant in the media and keep all of the top growth out. That way we get proper differentiation, and I am not trying to pup these anymore. These are going to their final home. And if the media ever breaks up like that, you can just break it apart and put it back down. It'll still work for the plant. So there's one. And the smaller ones, something like this that has roots already, very easy. Straight into tissue culture like that. Right. Here's another one. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape off this tissue. It's actually a pup, so I'm not gonna take that off. This time I'm gonna pre-break the hull so that the plant can go in without messing up the media, which I forgot to do on the first one. So it's already pre-broken. Perfectly fitted. Okay, let's do another one. Small ones are much easier to go ahead and just put in directly. Beautiful. So I've definitely noticed from this subculture that the pupping has decreased and the rooting efficiency has increased. So again, a reduction in the hormone amount was all it needed to give these great results. So just so this video doesn't go too long, I also want to show you. So I will be transferring these all together. So this one that I'm showing you that looks like this, very well established and grown, is done in September. So these are from September. It is now March. Versus these little babies, same exact plant, everything. Actually from the same mother plant, these are the same seeds. And these were done in January. So they're 3 months behind, but you can see the progression. Right, so you can see it has tiny little roots. And the same thing, we're just gonna put it right there in the media like that. There is a little bit of bacteria, I'll show you this, on one of them, but it's very localized. Do you see that white plaque that is a bacteria, yeast, mold, or fungus. But to me, it's looking very yeast-like. So it is localized, and there's not a lot of moisture in here, so most likely it is not going to contaminate the rest of them. So for those ones, I'll just transfer it over and make sure I don't touch it at all. If I do see that it's spreading, I'll go ahead and pull them all out, resurface sterilize, and put them back in. But let's grab one more, and then I'll end this video. So I always put the hot tools inside of the agar, just to make sure I don't damage any of the plant material. Alright, so let's grab one of these. Nice. It's like that Pokemon, Diglett. Let's see if I can... There we go. So now we have 3 plantlets from that one cluster. And we're gonna shave off all that extra callus. It's actually very, very hard. We don't need to shave off too much. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing this, and I'll see you guys later.